team to win first Women Kabaddi World Cup. Having 18 national medals to her credit and 3 international gold medals, Priyanka is determined to play for and serve the state and is not ready to migrate out of Himachal to
कैटेगरी में
get
हमारे
a
विनर
job.
हैं आंचल राणा फॉर शूटिंग।
जोरदार तालियों के साथ आंचल राणा जी का स्वागत किया जाए।
Rana has been performing consistently at the national and international level, thus bringing glory to Himachal. Having won 3 international medals in shooting as a member of the Indian team in 2012, Anchal feels that the state government must facilitate by roping in sponsors for this sport to that players can fully concentrate without bothering about expenses. For a remarkable performance and contribution in the field of sports, Himachal this week confers on her Himachal Excellence Award 2012.
Our next category is Entrepreneur of the Year, and runner-up are Mr. Dinesh Kumar, DKS Construction Private Limited, Mandi. Mr. Dinesh Kumar.
Career. Having started as a D-class government contractor doing civil works, Dinesh Kumar Sharma has progressed to establish a company known for completion of quality work before time, besides generating employment opportunities for nearly 200 persons. For his remarkable performance in the field of entrepreneurship, Himachal this week confers on him Himachal Excellence Award 2012. जोरदार तालियां दिनेश कुमार जी के लिए।
The next category is Reformer of the Year, and winner is Sarika Katoj Pawar. She is from Dharamshala. जोरदार तालियां सारिका कटोच पवर जी के लिए। Sarika Katoj Pawar has been working for last 15 years as a volunteer and planner of rural projects on youth and women development. She has done extensive work with government, public and professional groups in educating rural youths and development works and public health. For her remarkable performance to bring in reforms in system, Himachal this week confers her Himachal Excellence Award 2012. And the next category is Performer of the Year, and the winner is Raj Kumar Sharma from Bilaspur. जोरदार तालियां मिस्टर राजकुमार शर्मा जी के लिए। Program Executive Akashwani Rajkumar Sharma has been responsible for scheduling, planning and production of various programs aired on AIR. Some of the characters performed by him in different programs have been immensely popular, particularly that of Subedar that he portrayed during his posting at Shimla and Hamirpur. He has been responsible to make different programs live, also to ensure two-way communication with the people. For his remarkable performance as a performer.
Ladies and gentlemen, runner-up in this category is Nirmal Sharma from Shimla. जोरदार तालियां होनी चाहिए निर्मल शर्मा के लिए। Popular folk singer of Himachal, who has immense control over singing in all dialects of the state. She incidentally is also the first contestant from Himachal who participated in ZTV's Sare Gama Pa singing reality show.
Wow!
She has been performing on stage shows across the state in different programs, besides having many cassettes to her credit.
Dr. Chiranjit Parmar from Mandi. Dr. Chiranjit Parmar has 45-year experience of research in wild, unexploited and lesser-known fruits and multi-purpose plants of Himalayan region. He has done pioneer research on propagation of some promising fruits for the benefit of horticulturists during all these years. He has been writing books and articles on fruits and economic plants.
Dr. Jatinder Kishtwaria has contributed significantly for empowerment of rural farm women of hilly regions in terms of education, extension, outreach through national and international projects. Her pioneer contribution in reducing drudgery of hill farm women through innovative tools have been widely accepted in Himachal and Uttarakhand.
Coach of the Year, Mr. Bhupender Singh.
जो स्पोर्ट्स पर्संस हैं वो बहुत ही अच्छी तरह से जानते हैं कि एक कोच की क्या अहमियत होती
He
है।
has given tip to many international athletes also, and in addition, he is editing internationally recognized sports science magazine Penalty Corner for the past 12 years.
Manoj Sharma has exceptional record of playing 23 national championships in 4 different sports. He has also honored the talent of hundreds of budding basketball players, out of which more than 100 have played and won laurels at national level and 3 at international level.
Columnist of the year, and the winner is Dr. Dev Kanya Thakur from Shimla. Dr. Dev Kanya Thakur is a freelancer who has been writing on diverse issues confronting society and women, besides who concerning art and culture. Various organizations have honored her for her issue-based writing skills. A casual anchor in Doordarshan Kendra, Shimla, and casual newsreader in All India.
Professor at University of Horticulture and Forestry, Noni. Solan has been writing Kisan Helpline column for TV Himachal from 2007 and has numerous research papers, popular articles and bulletins to his credit.
NGO of the year, and the winner is Mr. Siraj Begum, Firdus Handicraft, Chamba. She has contributed in preservation of traditional craft for her remarkable performance in running an NGO. Firdus Handicraft Himachal this week confers on her Himachal Excellence Award 2012.
जोरदार तालियां होनी चाहिए सिराज बेगम के लिए. The school has been winning accolades in different spheres, including sports and different competitions at national level as well.
Ajay Sharma from Shimla. Ajay Sharma has conducted numerous researches and he has been credited with modification in 2265 years old Archimedes principle. Archimedes principle is the oldest established principle, that is 2265 years old in the history of science.
मैंने आपको पहले ही कहा कि इस बार हिमाचली ऑफ द ईयर अवार्ड 2 लोगों को जाता है और दूसरे विनर हैं डॉक्टर एन.के. कालिया फ्रॉम पालमपुर. जोरदार तालियां होनी चाहिए. शहीद सौरभ कालिया जी के पिताजी हैं. जोरदार तालियां होनी चाहिए इनके लिए. Dr. N.K. Kalia, the proud father of Kargil martyr Captain Saurabh Kalia, has been relentlessly raising the issue of torture and killing of his son, along with 5 other jawans of Indian Army by Pakistan troops during the conflict. After getting a gold standard answer from the center and human rights organizations, he ultimately moved the Supreme Court seeking direction to the government for raising the case of his son's torture at the hands of Pakistan Army at the International Court of Justice.
मर्द करांदे बारक मांदे मर्द करांदे मर्द करांदे बारक मांदे क्षणक दे हथरू मंधाणियां कुमांदे क्षणक दे हथरू मंधाणियां कुमांदे चोरा चांबे चांबे पिया गोरिया खते पिया बिना कांगरे ठंडी ठंडी हवा तो पुत्र दे टीला दे दारू बिना कांगरे खाने जो मिल जा बात बकूरू कुचियां दारा से कौन चरूरू कुचियां दारा से कौन चरूरू कुलियां डिड़ियां डंगरियां चारण गन गांधे गीत गुवारो बिना कांगड़े ठंडी हवा तुलसी बुतुल दे चिल्ला दे दारू बिना कांगड़े कर कर टिकलू कर कर बिंदलू बाकियां नारा गबरू सौगी मिले जाते बुगंदे कितना गई बिना कांगड़े ठंडी ठंडी अब तुलती बुतुलते चीना दे डालू बिना कांगड़े बिना कांगड़े बिना कांगड़े।
क्या बात है,
शायद इसी को ही लाइफ टाइम अचीवमेंट करते हैं।
सही कहा तुमने। दोस्तों आपको बताना चाहूंगा कि पहाड़ी लोक गीतों के सरताज 86 वर्षीय लोक गायक प्रताप चंद्र शर्मा उर्फ प्रतापू वर्ष 1960 से 1980 तक पहाड़ी गीतों के जरिए देश प्रदेश में अपने नाम की धाक जमा चुके हैं। उनके अनुसार दिव्य हिमाचल ने प्रताप शर्मा की कला को जो सम्मान दिया है वो उन्हें ताउम्र याद रहेगा।